Are the R540 earbuds the real deal or just another tech trap waiting to snatch your money? Today, we're diving deep into the R540 earbuds, putting them through rigorous tests to uncover their true worth, so stick around to see if they're a sound investment or a scam in disguise. First, let's talk design and comfort. The R540s boast a sleek, minimalist aesthetic, and they come with multiple ear tip sizes, ensuring a snug and comfortable fit for most ears. I've been wearing them for hours and so far, so good, no discomfort to note here. Next up is sound quality, which is arguably the most crucial aspect. These earbuds deliver a surprisingly balanced sound profile, with clear highs, present mids, and a decent bass response. While they may not satisfy audiophiles seeking crystal clear perfection, they offer a pleasant listening experience for everyday use. Now, let's explore the features. The R540s come equipped with touch controls for music playback, volume adjustment, and call management. These controls are responsive and intuitive, making it easy to navigate your audio without reaching for your phone. Battery life is another area where the R540s shine. You can expect around 6 hours of playtime on a single charge, with the charging case providing an additional 24 hours, so you can listen all day and worrying less. So, the big question, are the R540 earbuds worth your money, or are they a scam? Considering the sound quality, comfort features, and battery life, I'd say they offer excellent value for their price range. While they may not be perfect, they deliver a solid audio experience without breaking the bank. Overall, the R540 earbuds are a worthwhile purchase for anyone seeking affordable and reliable wireless audio. They're not a scam, just great value. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.